Are you ready to make your garden thrive in the late summer heat? August in Zone 9 is the perfect time to plant some amazing crops that will flourish in our warm climate. Stick around because today I'm going to share with you what to plant in August in Zone 9. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on these tips. Before we dive into our planting list, let's get a quick understanding of what makes Zone 9 unique. With mild winters and hot summers, Zone 9 offers a long growing season. This means we can grow a wide variety of plants even in August. Now, let's get to the exciting part, what to plant. First up, bush beans. These little powerhouses are perfect for August planting. They thrive in warm soil and will give you a bountiful harvest in just a few weeks. Plant them in well-drained soil, water regularly, and watch them grow. Next on our list is carrots. Yes, you can plant carrots in August. Choose a variety suited for warm climates and make sure to keep the soil moist. Carrots love loose, sandy soil, so give them a nice home to stretch out those roots. Now let's talk about cucumbers. These crunchy veggies love the heat and grow quickly. Train them on a trellis to save space and keep them off the ground. Plus, harvesting cucumbers is so much fun. For all the herb lovers out there, basil is your go-to herb for August. Basil loves the sun and heat. Plant it in pots or directly in the ground, water regularly, and you'll have fresh basil for your dishes in no time. Plus, it's a great companion plant for tomatoes. Speaking of leafy greens, don't forget about Swiss chard. This nutritious green is heat-tolerant and keeps producing throughout the season. Plant it now. Enjoy fresh greens well into the fall. Looking for something a bit more unique? Try Malabar spinach. This vining plant loves the heat and grows well in the summer months. It's not a true spinach, but has a similar taste and texture. Plus, it adds a tropical vibe to your garden. And for those who love flowers, plant marigolds. These bright, cheerful flowers not only add a pop of color to your garden, but also help repel pests. Grow and thrive in the summer heat? Remember, watering is key in the hot August weather. Make sure your plants are well hydrated, especially during those scorching afternoons. Mulching around your plants can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. There you have it, folks. These are some of the best plants to get into the ground in August if you're gardening in Zone 9. With a little care and attention, your garden will be bursting with life and color. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're planting this August. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.